Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Pepe update today, and we're still trading at 943. Now we have a little bit of a bad closing, which is not very good one, which is this right here is almost like a shooting star. So that could actually point to, Pepe coming a little bit lower. And why would it actually come lower? Well, maybe it's because it may want to retest some broken support and resistance. So we're doing that currently right now, and as you can see, we're already retesting this place that I've been talking about. That, what, if Pepe is not going to hold up the previous all-time high as your support, then one place it makes sense is this resistance and rejection, one resistance, rejection, resistance again, and a break to the upside, come down. We are back testing this as support. This is not any different than when we saw, we've seen it before. Okay, we've seen this before. So you have one touch move down, one touch move down, another touch move down, a break to the upside, a retest which got successful, and then we started pumping to the upside. So the thing is, this is just the same. You went up, you came for the retest. We could actually do a double retest here and then try to go back to the upside as well. So far so good. I think this is really good. I'm just going to give you a warning that it will be bad if Pepe comes down to 750. So if Pepe goes to 750, the reason why it's going to be bad is because this whole pattern just gets out of the window. Okay, so you have a pattern, but it's going to be destroyed, which makes it even worse. So that's all for the quick update on Pepe right now. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.